Hello, I'm in a 2008 Chevy Impala, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll find this release lever which we'll pull, and that should pop the safety on the hood. If this is just completely loose, you might need to check behind this plastic and this fabric to see if the cables are all connected properly. And if they're not, you might need to address that. But up to the front here, you should just find the hood slightly loose now. And this lever here, we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. Fortunately, it's got this nice hydraulic to hold it up. But this is what that lever looked like. Double check nothing's bent or broke, no debris stuck in here. If it's sticking a lot, maybe some WD-40 will help loosen this. And then up here is where it's hooked onto. So again, make sure nothing's bent. Make sure your hood's in proper alignment as well, because if it's crooked, that could cause you issues. But that's it. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.